In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to build an email that can be plugged into any workflow for seamless automation. First, log into your HubSpot account and head to the main navigation at the top of the screen. Hover over or click on the Marketing tab. This is where HubSpot keeps all of your marketing tools, including email, ads, social, and more. For this tutorial, we'll focus specifically on the email section. Once you're in the marketing area, look for the option labeled email and click on it. This will open your email dashboard, where you can see existing emails, performance metrics, and any drafts you've already started. From here, we're going to create a brand new email that you can later attach to a workflow. On the email dashboard, find and click the button that says Create Email. This is usually located near the top right corner of the page. When you click it, HubSpot will ask you what type of email you want to create. Choose the automated option. Automated emails are designed specifically to be used in workflows such as welcome sequences, follow-ups, or nurture campaigns. If you see a message that you need to upgrade your account to access automated emails, you'll need to complete that upgrade process first. Once your subscription supports automation, come back to this screen and select Automated again. After selecting Automated, HubSpot will show you a collection of templates you can use. These templates are pre-designed layouts for different purposes like announcements, follow-ups, and newsletters. Take a moment to browse and choose one that fits the goal of your workflow email. Don't worry, you can customize everything later, so just pick the structure that's closest to what you need. Once you've chosen a template, you'll be taken into the email editor. Here, you can drag and drop different elements into the email, such as text blocks, images, buttons, and more. This is where you can add your company logo, adjust the header, and write your content. Make sure your subject line is clear, your body text is easy to read, and your call to action stands out. You can also personalize the email using contact tokens, so each recipient sees their own name or other details. When you're happy with the design and content, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Review and Publish. HubSpot will prompt you to double-check key details, like the subject line, from address, and any personalization tokens. If everything looks good, publish the email. It's now ready to be used in your workflows as an automated email.